Well, hello and welcome back to the greenhouse. It's a nice day out. It's a wicked nice day out. Alright, so right now we're going to get ready to plant stuff. I'm waiting for everybody else to get down here. Right now I'm just setting up these things. We've had a few that melted over the summer, so I'm going to try to use them because we don't want to waste anything. So I'm just going to keep filling these in. Hello, Mother.
No.
So I'm trying to,
Put these over here for this.
I'm trying to use up some of these ones that are melted because they're still good. They still hold dirt and the plant. See?
Yeah.
But I'm setting them up. The really bad ones I'm setting off to the side.
Yeah, this will be the year that they go in the trash. The water.
Right. And Nicholas is here. And we're gonna get these all filled up.
That's good. All those seeds that we'll save. You put that trash can under here. So this stuff will have to move. We need to have something to catch any excess water because we have to get this wet, the next wet before we put it in the pots. And then we'll put the rest in these and put them over there.
Alright, we're going to keep setting all this up. Once we get this up and we get the dirt ready to get set up, we'll show you.
Can you go up and grab those bags of...
Put it on time lapse for a bit.
If they're
Alright, so we're just getting started on this process, figuring out how we're going to do this. So I'm going to fill up trays, pass them to my mother. She's going to put dirt in them. Then Nicholas is going to bring them back over to me, where I'm going to put the seeds in. Then they're going to go over to here, where Seth should be here soon, and he'll mark them and water them. And then we're going to slide them down the line until this is all full, and they're all marked, and we get all of our vegetables planted. It's gonna be a fun day. So I gotta charge the camera and then we'll catch up. We'll catch you guys up on this process. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so we're planting some Hungarian yellow wax peppers into here. And I'm getting behind, so we're gonna go!
Hey, how's that look, Sam?
Pretty sweet. Yep. Let's get some water on them. You already get water on them?
Nope.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is poking holes. I don't want to use that stick.
What?
Put water on them.
Alright, this one's ready.
Okay, so that's water in. Getting holes in. Alright.
Try not to waste it.
I got it, Jenny. Oh. I was gonna fill it up for you.
Oh man, my coffee was right full of dirt from the top shelf.
You want more than that? You can fill it.
Sure. Yeah, we gotta mix it up again.
This whole toe is almost fitting in that.
That's funny. That's funny though.
Just dump the whole thing in. Call it a day.
Yeah, we gotta mix it all up. You can stir it up. Try to get down way down bottom.
Oh, that is cold.
Flip it over. And...
I think I put too much.
These are covered. I don't know what these are for.
I had no idea. I didn't know those were there.
You can use a trowel too. That'll help dig.
Help me.
Pull this stuff up from underneath.
Try to use these ones up with some of the other ones we did. We use these ones. Oh, they got a full one.
Yeah, use that. Then, and then lift it up, stir it, push it down.
You're pushing it back in where I'm trying to
I
lift it
know.
up.
I'm trying to stir it in the other direction while you're pushing it one way. I'm pushing it the other so we can get it mixed up. See, so it's to break up some of that dry stuff.
We had these ones.
Yeah,
we
see,
just
see all the dry
Yeah,
stuff.
where's scissors?
Here, I'll wet it.
A little bit more water. Stir it until you get that stuff on the bottom to the top. Note yourself, next time we'll do it halfway through the mixing. See how dry that is on the bottom?
I got a lot of the dry stuff up top.
You're making more of a mess than I did.
I don't have any room to flip it. I'm trying not to. Oops.
Alright, I'm trying to catch a little bit of this process for you. Right now we're doing sweet banana peppers. Just want a couple of the seeds in each one. Nicholas, you want to hold this for me real quick? Just so they can see what I'm doing. Just a couple of the seeds in each little spot. And like I said, we do it the way we do it. And I'm sure there's lots of input people will have and things you want to say, go for it. Put it right in the comments. But this is just how we do it. That thing keeps jamming up. The Great American Seed Planting. On my dad's birthday. Well, maybe just enough. Got 3 left, 1 seed in each, I guess. 1, 2, and 3. Sweet, now Nichols is going to take that over there. And this is what we've already got planted. Sweet peppers, hot peppers, Brussels sprouts.
That was the only one of the banana peppers.
Yep.
I'm just gonna put that.
And then he's going to fill them all in and then water them. And then we're going to take a break real quick, and then we're going to get back to it. And I'll do a bunch more in time lapse and add some cool music for you guys, so you can see the process, but you don't have to be bored and you can enjoy it. So see you soon. All right, guys, we got all the seeds that we needed to plant today planted. Now it's just pretty much we're gonna clean up, organize everything, get rid of the garbage, and then we'll keep track of this throughout this grow period, and from when the snow's gone, the planting period and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a pretty good fun time. Now maybe I can go do something else. Hopefully go use my new metal detector. We'll see. See you later.